Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve financial freedom and live your best life. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic that's going to blow your mind. We're diving into the top 20 passive income streams for financial freedom. So, get ready to take some serious notes because this is going to be a game changer. Passive income is the ultimate key to achieving financial independence. It's all about generating income while you sleep, allowing you to live life on your own terms. In today's video, we're going to explore not just one or two, but the top 20 passive income streams that can transform your financial situation and pave the way to true freedom. So, let's jump right into it. Starting off our list at number 20, we have peer-to-peer lending. With the rise of online platforms, you can now lend money directly to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your investments. It's a win-win situation, as borrowers get access to funds without going through traditional banks, and you, as a lender, can earn a passive income from the interest payments. Coming in at number 19, we have another fantastic opportunity for passive income: creating and selling a physical product on Amazon. Amazon offers a remarkable program called FBA Fulfillment by Amazon that enables you to bring your product to market. Once your physical product is ready for sale, it can become a consistent source of passive income, generating revenue through ongoing sales. At number 18, we have high-yield savings accounts. Although it may not seem as glamorous as some other options on our list, a high-yield savings account can provide a steady, low-risk passive income stream. Look for accounts that offer competitive interest rates and watch your money grow without much effort. Coming in at number 17, we have vending machines. Placing vending machines in high-traffic areas, such as office buildings, malls, or schools, can generate a passive income as people purchase snacks and beverages. While there is some initial investment and maintenance involved, it can be a lucrative and relatively hands-off income stream. Next up, at number 16, we have dividend stocks. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits paid out to its shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can receive regular income payments. Look for companies with a solid track record of paying dividends and focus on long-term growth. Moving on to number 15, we have print-on-demand products. With print-on-demand services, you can create and sell custom-designed merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, without having to handle inventory or shipping. Whenever someone purchases your products, the printing company takes care of production and shipping, while you earn a passive income from each sale. Now, let's talk about number 14 on our list, which is real estate crowdfunding. Real estate has always been a popular avenue for generating passive income, but now you can invest in properties with smaller amounts of money through crowdfunding platforms. By pooling resources with other investors, you can participate in real estate projects and earn a share of the profits. At number 13, we have YouTube. Creating and monetizing a YouTube channel has become a fantastic opportunity to generate passive income. Through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and sponsored content, you can turn your passion into a lucrative business and earn money while sharing valuable content with your audience. Next up, at number 12, we have creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field or subject, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created, you can earn passive income as people enroll and learn from your knowledge. Coming in strong at number 11, we have dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can run any commerce business without the need to handle inventory or shipping. Simply set up an online store, partner with suppliers who will handle the fulfillment, and earn a profit from each sale made through your store. And now, let's dive into our top 10 passive income streams for financial freedom. At number 10, we have mobile app development. In the digital age, mobile apps have become a massive industry. If you have coding skills or can hire developers, Creating and monetizing your own mobile app can provide a steady stream of passive income through app purchases, in-app advertisements, or subscription models. Moving on to number 9, we have rental properties. Investing in real estate has long been a reliable method for generating passive income. By purchasing and renting out properties, you can earn a steady stream of rental income each month, while also benefiting from potential property appreciation over time. Next up, at number 8, we have robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are online platforms that automate investment strategies based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. By investing in portfolios managed by robo-advisors, you can earn passive income through dividends and capital gains without the need for constant monitoring and adjustments. Now, let's move on to number 7 on our list, creating and selling a membership site. This option presents a unique opportunity to generate passive income by offering exclusive content or services to paying members. Once your membership site is up and running, it becomes a consistent source of revenue through ongoing membership fees. At number 6, we have royalties from creative works. If you're a writer, musician, artist, or photographer, you can earn passive income through royalties. By licensing your work to publishers, music labels, or stock photography websites, you can receive ongoing payments whenever your creations are used or sold. Now, let's move on to our top 5 passive income streams for financial freedom. At number 5, we have online advertising. If you have a website or blog with significant traffic, you can earn passive income through online advertising platforms like Google AdSense. By displaying ads on your site, you can earn money every time visitors click on those ads or view them. Now let's explore number 4, which involves creating and selling an online course marketplace. This option opens up an exciting opportunity to build a platform where other creators can sell their courses. As the owner of the marketplace, you can generate passive income through ongoing commissions on course sales. At number 3, we have automated e-commerce stores. With the rise of e-commerce, setting up automated online stores can provide a significant passive income stream. Utilizing platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can create an online store, automate order processing and fulfillment, and earn a profit from each sale made through your store. Next up, at number 2, we have dividend-focused index funds. Index funds are investment vehicles that track a specific index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in dividend-focused index funds, you can earn passive income through regular dividends from a diverse portfolio of companies, allowing you to benefit from market growth and income generation. And finally, our number 1 passive income stream for financial freedom is, drumroll, please, creating and selling digital products. This can include ebooks, online courses, stock photography, software, and more. By leveraging your expertise and digital tools, you can create products once and sell them repeatedly, generating a consistent stream of passive income. So, there you have it, our top 20 passive income streams for financial freedom. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are absolutely worth it. Start exploring these opportunities, diversify your income streams, and pave your way to a life of financial independence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep chasing financial freedom.